Hi guys, Ronda Winstead here, aka Ronda without an H. Okay, I want to do a flip through. This is the last in this little mini series on the brown paper bag journal cover. And I want to show you what I've done. Yeah, I hope you're all well. I hope you're happy. And if you've got a minute, I'd love for you to join me and just take a peek-see. Maybe there's something that will inspire you in your own journal making. Okay, I have just tied this with a pretty cream sari ribbon. Here again, mostly what I have used is the digital kit La Vie en Rose. And it's a tailor-made journal, and I will put her links below. So you can go and check out Lorna's stuff. Wonderful. So you guys, I am loving this. I am so loving this. I'm going to have to make another paper bag journal or journal cover because these are they're fun. They're just fun to do. All right. Let's just get started. All righty. So you have seen what I have done if you've watched the other videos. Now we have the pockets in, and I have made some tags for journaling. And this, I love this. I love this. It's pink. It's delicious. Okay. And here again, I'm not going to explain to you all the layering and whatnot that I do, but it's really, really fun to just put your hands on it and feel it and rub it and all that good stuff. So we've got a tuck spot here. We have a pocket. We've got a couple more journal cards. Some old ephemera. Sneak that back in there. Come on. You know how it is when you're doing a video. One of the beautiful papers, just gorgeous, gorgeous. And what I did here is I stenciled around the edge and added this little cutout, and I printed, this is also in the kit, and I printed this on all the papers that I was using so that it wouldn't be the white. Okay, nice little belly band. I've got vellum and some of the print paper here and just some pink. I've used washi tape. This is another one of the printables. I've cut around it. Ripped around it, I guess. So you've got a wonderful, there's quite a bit of journaling space in here. So all of this, of course, we've got the stitching that I love to do on paper and fabric, and got some crocheted lace here. I love this. I absolutely love this. Someone showed me how to do this several years ago, and it's just a matter of you just kind of start in the center and you twist and fold and twist and fold, and then you kind of stitch up the back as you're twisting and folding. And I just think it's so delicate and wonderful. These are my papers that I like to make. This is, of course, from the kit, and I thought it would be fun to add some of the tape that looks aged, and it can also protect this opening here. And we have a paper clip fun, and then this is another paper that I've made, and I've turned it into a little journaling, so you've got lots and lots of journaling space in there. So that's fun. We'll just sneak that back in there. We'll see if it'll go in. If I'm not on camera, it does well. On camera, I don't know. It's like everything seems to get... What is the deal there? Yeah. I know, it's real, right? We'll just tuck that back and paper clip that. On the other side, we've got a little pocket here and a fun little guest check dolled up. Beautiful paper, just gorgeous, gorgeous. Here again, I have stenciled and I've glued some ribbon on there. And this is a glassine bag that I've cut up and made into a journaling spot. You can actually, if you've got a fountain pen, you can write on this, or markers. Regular ballpoint won't, but it's so pretty. And then you've got washi tape, and again, more of the lace and paper, and you know the drill. So here we go. I loved having this show, and this fabric is the same fabric that I twisted and made this little flower from. It's a sheer curtain that I bought a few years ago in a thrift store. I just fell in love. I saw it and it was that pink and sheer, and I was like, oh, I gotta have it. More stenciling. I stitched this particular one onto a vintage paper. This is all natural yellow. This I have inked around here, but this paper, it's like a ledger, and it was plain, but really well sized so that you can make some fun things with it. And then this, if you recognize, I'm sure you all recognize this now. So here we go. I've just done a little collage on there. You got lots of writing space. Writing, writing, writing. I love to take the old book pages and turn them into writing places, because you get the texture, you get the fun of seeing the book page behind it, and yet you can write on top of it, and it's, yeah, some fabric. Another little cutout from her shop, from the kit that she has here. And then we made another little pocket here. Yeah. And some little tags. This is a little pocket with a tag. So you've got that. You've got this coffee dyed. You've got this. All of these journaling. These can be used for journaling. Okay. Oh, love these images. They're so pretty. So you can see all the journaling places. And this I thought was fun, just to change it up just a little bit with a stamp in the corners here. And here again is the other half of what you saw in the beginning. And on this one, I went ahead and added that same fabric. I made it into a ruffle and added a little bit of lace trim here. This, of course, just gorgeous the way it is. I did add a little bird and just a smidgen of that paper, this fabric. Added just a little tab on here. But all of this, you can write, or, you know, add your own wonderful things. A fun pocket. So this is just a little card that I've turned into a tag, and then here is a little envelope out of a book page. And we have a couple of little tags. and a little pocket, so they go in that pocket. And then you've got both sides. You've got lots of writing in there that if you want to keep something just a little bit more private, or you could put pictures, you know, that would be it. You know, whoever ends up with the journal, you can do whatever you want. Wow. Brilliant, Rhonda. So more stenciling and another fun little image. Of course, this amazing image on the back. Just love these papers. So we have another belly band with the vellum in the center, and these images are also from the kit, and I glued and stitched onto this pink paper that's coffee dyed. It just gives you another writing spot, so you've got lots of that going on. And then in the back you have a glassine pocket, and you have a little paper bag journal. So you've got, this is a pink paper bag, and it has pockets, although I can't seem to open the pocket. Okay, so you've got images here, and you've got images here, and then this is just all paper, coffee dyed paper in here that fits in this lace trimmed sweet little pocket here. And here you have a back pocket that has a few things. We have this tab that includes a pocket. So I thought this was super fun. Now this one, you know, granted, unless you do something, you're probably not going to write on that one, but who knows. This one, you've got writing space. Dream. And then this other one, this gorgeous, love this layering, love the collage. And this I've done the way I do my dictionary pages too. You can write. You still see that gorgeous image behind there, but you can write on that as well. And then what I included here is a writing board. It's just a heavy, like cardboard, chipboard that I have covered with another one of Lorna's gorgeous papers. And I have included this because, honest and truthfully, with these journals that we make that are really pretty, but, you know, stuck in that you can't take out like a Midori style, you need a way to really write, to make it viable, to make it like, okay, this isn't going to pop through and I'm not going to poke holes. So this does that for you. So I wanted to include that. I thought that was kind of an important, cool thing to do. And then, of course, the back is collaged again. I showed you this before, but I just love this. And I wanted you to see it. Yeah, I just have had fun working on this. I wanted to do a nice job for Lorna. And yeah, so here it is. Here's the journal. I may go ahead and list it in my store. If I don't decide to give it away to someone as a gift, I may go ahead and list it. But anyway, so there we go. I hope that you enjoyed looking at that. I hope that you maybe found something that was somewhat interesting. Thank you for looking. Thank you to my subbies. I love you, and I'm just amazed. I just can't tell you how grateful I am for you. You're just, you make my day. You really do. So until next video, have a fabulous day. Bye-bye now.